Hi, this is Glenda, and tonight I'm making a soap called Sugar Plum Fairy. I'm going to put a link of this recipe in the description box. It's gonna be a fairly simple soap as far as the body of the soap, and what I put most of my time towards are the embeds, which let me show them to you. They're right here. I tried to make ballerinas, but I'm not entirely happy with them, but they will have to do. It's been one of my most difficult embeds to make, starting with the making of the mold for them. Alright, my oil blend is kind of warm. It's at 126. I just heat it up to melt all the oils, and that's 52 Celsius. The sodium hydroxide mix with the distilled water is at 31 Celsius, which is 88 Fahrenheit. So hopefully the temperature makes up. The fragrance that I will be using is black raspberry vanilla. So let's start at the beginning, adding the lye water solution to the oils. Initially, I'm just going to stir this with a spatula for half a minute or so. Then I'm going to use a stick blender. For colorants, I have, well, it's hard to see here because I have it on a black mug, but it's a 1/4 teaspoon of ultramarine violet, used for some soft lavender color. And I also have some titanium dioxide pre-mixed with some oil, which I want the main body of the soap to be white. So hopefully that titanium dioxide will help it become white. I think it's about a teaspoon of titanium dioxide, but I didn't write it down, so I'm not sure. Alright, I've been stirring this for almost close to a minute. So now I'm just going to do quick bursts. Okay, looks like it's emulsified now. I'm going to go ahead and add the fragrance. Alright, so that's about 2 ounces. Actually, it's exactly 2 ounces. This fragrance is supposed to be a well-behaved fragrance. It's my first time using it. I can tell it has all these berry notes. It's sweet, and I thought it went really well with sugar plum theme. It's the closest thing I have for sure to a sugar plum or to any fruit related to that. Okay, so I'm going to separate a little bit. So close to 7 ounces in the mug that has the ultraviolet. And now to this portion, I'm going to add the titanium dioxide. Okay, this is now at a light trace. And I'm going to blend this carefully. I shouldn't have put this much, actually. I shouldn't have used this much soap butter, because now it's gonna be hard to stir.